Hey guys, it's Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your unusual option activity report for February 1st, 2012. Today was a barn burn, a very interesting day today, and we had a trade come across the tape, and we will start selling a premium service, which will be the trade of the week. I come up with a trade of the day every single day. Some of them are better than other ones. I can't disclose which ones I have bigger positions on. However, the trade of the week will be my biggest position. This was a big position for me. This was a great trade. I got out of 20% of it. I'm letting the rest ride. In SONC, Sonic. I've been in the fast food place once or twice. It's all right. But very, very interesting paper. Stock was trading 701. Customer came out and bought 4,100 of the March 7.5 calls for 25 cents. At the time, this was 75 times unusual option activity. I went out and bought the June 7 calls for 45 cents. The market was 40.50 at the time. I paid 45. Someone sold me them. Then they paid 30 for these March calls. Once I saw them paying 30, I paid 50 for the June calls. I like to give my trades more time. This gives me to June. So I paid 47.5 cents, half at 45, half at 50. And then volatility exploded. Ended up trading 127 times the usual volume. They went 65 bid on the calls I bought for 45. I had to take a little piece off. I took a 20% position off for about 50% profit within 20 minutes, and I'm leaving 80% on. But as you can see, Sonic broke the trend line. It might be private equity deal. It might be something. Something's brewing in this one. And I wanted to be on it. I wanted to take some profit off, but I want to leave most of it on. We broke the trend line here. Huge bull the bar. We got a little consolidation at 640. Target would be right here on 846, which would have these calls being worth $1 at parity. And then the real target for me would be right around here, around the 920 level, where we've had a lot of volume. So that's just one. Let's look at a different one. CAR, which I think is Hertz. Customer came in and bought 10,000 March 14s, 140, 26 times usual option activity. Stock was trading 14.57 at the time. This stock's a little toppy to me. I don't like to trade stocks that don't move that much. This doesn't move that much for the last 6 days. It's been within this range of 14 to 14.60. I did not take this one on. Could be against a short position protected. Another one, BGC. I actually used to trade this one a good amount. Customer bought the Feb 34 calls for $1.70 when the stock was trading 32.62. I just don't see a breakout here for this stock. I didn't want to take this one on. They paid $1.70 for the 34 calls, so that puts the stock at 35.70 to break even. And their February, that gives you only 12 days of trading left. I don't like to play front months so much. It's a lot riskier. I like to play the back months. AFFY, I did get into this through, I bought some puts, I bought some extra stock. Huge activity today in this one. Stock was trading around 8.98. Customer sold the Feb 8 puts for 12.5 cents, half of them at 10, half at 15. So customers willing to get long stock at 7.87 half, around right here, which is huge bullish activity. Even with 12 days left, this customer is saying, I'm willing to get long. Sold about 3,300 of them, so it's 330,000 shares. And this is a biotech. So I'm playing this one to the upside. I think it can break out even higher. But I do have some puts as protection. This one I like a lot from the long side. Another one I participated in was Wells Fargo. We saw some paper buying some upside calls. This could be a volatility play. I didn't want to play it too much. I put a small position on. The stock was trading 29.98. Customer bought the April 32 calls, 71 cents. I went out and bought them for 72 cents. The market on these are about penny wide. About 2.2 times unusual option activity for a breakout higher. This was more of a lottery ticket for me, guys. This isn't a big position. If I give it a couple days and it's just meandering around here, I'll punt it out. This is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. If you want all the unusual option activity report, you have to go to KeenOnTheMarket.com. And remember, there are trades of the day, then there's trades of the week, and that's the Sonic trade.